Have you ever sat back and noticed that whenever you're doing the things that you enjoy, there's a different type of excitement, a different type of energy transmitting through your soul, seeping through your pores? What is it about traveling that reinvigorates the mind? This is what life is all about, or at least what it should be. Waking up at the ass crack of dawn, preparing for the next adventure, a new adventure, something generating a type of excitement, energy, and happiness. Come with me as we explore Cancun, Mexico. Pardon the interruption, but do you see these views? Listen, I've been to many places, but this right here is insanity. Keep watching. After checking in, you knew I had to go back to that water. There was just no way I was going to miss out dipping my toes on day one. I'm a natural early riser, but anytime I'm on vacation, it's a must that I wake up before the sun rises. It's just something about sitting still and listening to the waves crashing against the shore and watching the night sky turn into day. Just get a peace of mind. It's a good time for meditation and prayer and just thinking about what you want to do and accomplish, or maybe not think of anything at all. Just take it all in. Day 2, Cancun, and this was probably my favorite day of the trip. Starting the day off with some breakfast before we headed off to Isla Mujeres. First, it was a short delay waiting for our boat to get ready before we took the roughly 30-45 minute boat ride over to that island. All I can say, views. Peep the views. To be honest with you, I mean, I was having the time of my life. The Caribbean Sea splashing in my face, tasting all the salt water, looking up at the clear blue sky, not a chemtrail in sight. Drinks, laughs, smiles all around. In a few short minutes, we're actually going to be approaching Ricky Martin's beach home. And that was, quite the view. But I was mesmerized. I was completely mesmerized. And all I'm looking at is a body of water and land. And I was blown away. Just looking at the different hues of blue. Aqua, green to like sky blue. Amazing.